Hey guys, Dave the Watchman coming at you with another watch review video. Today we've got an order that came in from Amazon Prime. I'm going to open it up and show you guys what's in the box today. But before I get started, I just wanted to say, guys, if you do like my watch review channel and you do like men's fashion and you want to check out my shoe review channel, check out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. I will post a link to that channel below, and you can head on over and check out some of those videos and maybe even become a subscriber of that channel as well. But before I do get started today, I just wanted to shout out to all my current subscribers on both of my channels and say thank you guys all so much for all of your interaction and support with both of these channels. I could not do this without you, and I am very excited to bring all of this content to you, and I'm glad you guys do appreciate it. If you are new to the channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and provide affiliate links so you can head on over and pick these watches up and wear them for yourself. I also provide affiliate links to the shoes that I do review on DaveTheShoeman.com, so please be sure to check out my Dave the Shoeman videos. So without further ado, let's get into this package and show you guys which watch came in today. So I have ordered a whole bunch of watches. I do have a lot on the way. I also have a lot of shoes on the way for Dave the Shoeman also. Today we've got a Pagani design, and guys, you know how much I love my Pagani designs, and I think I know exactly which watch this is. It was something that I really thought looked nice online. It was very similar to this Pagani design right here that I picked up and reviewed a couple of weeks ago, which I could quite possibly be in love with this watch, guys. I'm just letting you know right off the bat. It is a beautiful watch. I will post a link to this one in the description below as well, so you guys can head on over and pick it up. I'll also post a link to the review that I did on this as well. So definitely check that one out. But this one I had ordered because it had a similar appearance to this watch. Not identical, but pretty similar. So let's open this up and take a look at it, see what it looks like in person. And like I said, I love Pagani design, and I think like I said, I'm pretty much in love with this watch here. So I really do like the Pagani design models. Okay, so upon opening it up, very nice display case, comes with the cleaning cloth and the foam. Oh, it looks like it also has tucked in here a guarantee card, an instruction booklet, and also a tag for the bracelet. So that's what comes in the package, and it comes on this foam pillow pad. The watch is wrapped, and guys, wow, I really do like this watch too, guys. I think this one could be a home wrecker for me. I don't know, I love them both, but damn, these are some really nice watches. It looked like it had a canvas strap. Canvas strap. It looked like it had a canvas strap in the video, or in the on the listing, but this is actually a silicone strap. This is a really nice watch, guys. Let's see here. Very nice watch. Nice engraving on the back. Pagani design. 100 meters. Stainless steel. Beautiful, beautiful watch all around. So very wonderful watch with it is the Pagani Design PD1705V2 with the sports chronograph function. Very nice watch. Japanese quartz movement with the sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, stainless steel. The loom capability on this thing, let's check it out. Let's get this thing up under the light here and try and... All right, yeah, very, very nice loom capability on this thing. But wonderful watch. It's got that panda dial, but it looks, I think the thing I like the most about this watch is that recessed dial, and also it's got the recessed subdials, and that dial also looks like it's like a stainless steel kind of plate that's been cut out. And it's like a dual layered um, dial on this thing. It's very, very nice with that metallic look. Really, really smooth running, turning bezel. No back play whatsoever on this bezel. I mean, it doesn't budge at all. It does have the domed sapphire crystal. It has the regular deployment clasp, but well, that's pretty interesting too. It's got the deployment clasp, but it's got the edges kind of cropped a little bit, which is really, really nice. And it also has that Pagani design logo on the clasp itself. But the cool thing about it is it does look like it's a canvas bracelet or a canvas strap when actually it is a silicone rubber strap, which is looks like it's going to be an extremely comfortable wear. Um, I would have loved to have an exhibition case on this thing. However, this is not an automatic. It is a quartz movement. But if if they do make an automatic version of this, I might check that out and just, I'll bet $1,000,000 they do put a exhibition case on the back of it. But anyhow, very, very nice watch. Great watch for the price. Like I said, you got a Japanese quartz movement. With the VK63 movement quartz, sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, the sports chronograph function, all working sub-dials on this thing. And it's a stainless steel construction with super illumination capabilities. Very, very nice with the signature on the deployment clasp and on the silicone bracelet, the silicone band. Wonderful watch, very nicely constructed, great Pagani design quality, so you're not getting a cheap watch. This is a really nice watch with a nice milled stainless steel case. Very, very nice. Let's check out the movement on this thing. It does have the screw down crown with the Pagani design logo actually on the crown itself. Very, very nice watch. You unscrew it and let's just move. Yeah, everything moves very, very smoothly on it. Let's see if we get any snapback nope, we don't even get any snapback when we press it in. You've got like I said, it's got the chronograph stopwatch counter on it. You start it, you stop it, and you snap it right back to 0 when you're done. Very good quality, nicely built watch. Once again, the PD1705 V2, and this thing right now, you're not going to believe the price on this thing. With all of these specs that you get on this watch, you can pick this thing up for just around $80 on Amazon right now. So if you want to pick this thing up, I definitely jump on over to Amazon using that affiliate link below and try and get a hold of that price before it either goes up or these things are gone. I mean, you never know. These watches come and go. So I would definitely head on over and pick one up while you can. This is going to be a beautiful addition to my collection. As you can tell, I really do love the Pagani designs. I have one here. I have one here. And I also have one here as well. I just love my Pagani designs. They are a great quality watch all around. Just love them to death. Awesome watches. So I could not recommend it more than I do. Definitely head on over, pick it up. The PD1705 V2 for around $80 with the Japanese quartz VK63 movement with the sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, sports chronograph function, stainless steel case, super lume capability, and the signature on the deployment clasp on the silicone band. Wonderful, wonderful watch. Like I said, I will post a link to it in the description below. I will also post a link to this watch here in the description below. Very, very similar watches. Not too similar, but very nice watches. Both of them very nice watches all around. And I'll also post a link to my other channel, themselves.To, where you can head on over and check out some shoe review videos. And if you like those and you want to see more shoe review videos, you can also give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe on that channel as well. And that would be very, very much appreciated. So once again, I will be posting an affiliate link to this and this in the description below, so you guys can head on over and check them out. And if you do decide to buy them, I would definitely appreciate you clicking on that affiliate link. It does not raise the price for you in any way. The only difference is if you do decide to purchase one of these watches with that affiliate link, I get a small commission, and that is very much appreciated. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman on YouTube. I am also Dave the Shoeman on YouTube, and I do appreciate all of my current subscribers. If you are not already a subscriber, please consider clicking on that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. Once again, Dave the Watchman, I hope you guys all have a great weekend, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video.